If I want to say this is Z, so what would I say? Haza Zaidun, right? I wanted to talk something about Haza Zaidun because it is something that goes against the rules that we studied earlier. Haza Zaidun. What does it mean? This is Z, right? Can you go back to the page where you wrote the rules for Jumla Ismiya? The first class where we did Jumla Ismiya. What were the rules for that? Yeah, what can you read them aloud? مبتدا خبر المرفوع. Usually مبتدا معرفة and خبر النكرة. Yeah, I want you to stop right there. And هذا, is this معرفة or nakira? It's marifa because asmaul ishara are marifa, right? Asmaul ishara by default are marifa. So we are studying the categories of marifa, right? So asmaul ishara are marifa. So this is marifa. What about Zaid? Is this marifa or nakira? Marifa, right? So that's the reason why we use the word usually. You see that? Not always. Why? Because in Jumla Ismiya, Mubtada and Khabar both are marfu, but Mubtada is usually Marifa and Khabar is usually Nakira or generally Nakira. But there may be exceptions, and this is that exception, right? Because Zaid cannot be Nakira, right? Zaid is Ismul Alam. What is Ismul Alam? It's a proper noun, right? So proper noun cannot be Nakira, right? It has to be Marifa. So it goes against the like general rule of Jumla Ismiya. So that's the reason why we use the word generally or usually, right? But apart from this, other rules are in place, right? So does it only go for the name Z or it goes for every other name? Every other name. Every other name. Yeah. Okay. Name is a proper noun, right? Or everything that is marifa, whenever it is used in place of khabar, it has to be marifa, right? So that's the thing I wanted to highlight. There is a small concept. It's a new concept that I wanted to cover in this class. If you notice, when we were discussing about pens, right, or books, or doors, or windows, I did not use the sigha of jama, right? I did not use the sigha of jama, right? Sigha means form, right? So I did not say haulai babun, right? Like I did not say um, haulai aqlamun. I did not say haulai aqlamun, right? These are pens. um, and for different things like doors, windows, we did not use the ishara of the ishara of um, jama, right? So there's a reason for that. There's a reason for that, and the reason is, now this is according to the Arabic grammar, so we don't need to ask the reason why it is like that, because this is how the Arabs use. So this is something that we don't need to like ask the question why, rather to learn how they use it. So they have divided makhluqat into two categories. Makhluqat, or the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, are divided into two categories. Aqil and Ghayr Aqil, right? Makhluqat is divided into two categories, Aqil and Ghayr Aqil. And in under Aqil, there are three things: humans, jinn, and angels. Humans, jinn, and angels. Everything apart from these three categories are considered to be Ghayr Aqil by the Arabs, right? Everything apart from these three categories are considered to be Ghayr Aqil. Okay? So even the animals fall under this category. They are considered to be Ghayr Aqil.